Hello viewers, this is Jubilee Saikia and you're watching My News Any. Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister Pema Khandu today inaugurated an IT Skill Development Center at Mesuka in Shiyome district, marking a significant step towards youth empowerment. Here we are bringing you the full details. Arunachal CM inaugurates IT Skill Center in Mesuka. Initiative launched under Indian Army's Operation Sadbhavana. Center aims to digitally empower border youth. Multiple infrastructure projects launched to boost connectivity. Indoor sports hall inaugurated to promote fitness. Yes, viewers, Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister Pema Khandu inaugurated an IT Skill Development Center at Mesuka, a forward area in Shiyome district, marking a significant step towards youth empowerment. The initiative, undertaken by the Indian Army under Operation Sadbhavana, aims to equip local youth with essential digital skills and open new avenues for education and empowerment. Calling it a commendable initiative on his official X handle, CM Khandu lauded the army for going beyond its traditional role and actively contributing to national building. The Chief Minister also expressed gratitude to the Indian Army for its continued efforts in uplifting remote communities through initiatives that foster education, skill development and connectivity. The IT Skill Center is expected to benefit hundreds of youths in a region bridging the digital divide and bringing mainstream opportunities closer to other communities. Earlier during the day, CM Khandu laid the foundation stone for the several key infrastructure projects aimed at transforming connectivity and promoting sports in the region. Construction of Township Road at Tato, motorable Bailey suspension bridge over to connect Saute River Island, steel composite bridge to connect Mesuka village, multi-purpose sports stadium at Monigon, road from PWD Road to Rowing Village and the PD Circle cement contract road at Dongstar. He also inaugurated the multi-purpose indoor hall at Mesuka, a step forward in nurturing young talent and promoting a culture of fitness and sports. Yes, viewers, Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister today inaugurated and laid foundation stones for multiple development projects worth over rupees 100 crore in a picturesque town of Mesuka in Shiyome district. Khandu inaugurated the IT Skill Development Center at Mesuka, an initiative by the Indian Army under Operation Sadbhavana. He thanked the Army for their dedication to nation building, recognition their efforts that extend beyond their regular duties. The Chief Minister also laid the foundation stone for several key infrastructure projects aimed at transforming connectivity and promoting sports in the region. Notably, the foundation stones were laid for the construction of Township Road at Tato, a motorable Bailey suspension bridge to connect Gausi River Island in Mesuka, a steel composite bridge to connect Mesuka village, a multi-purpose sports stadium at Monigong PWD Road to Rowing Village and the PD Circle, and a cement concrete road at Dongstar. Khandu also inaugurated a multi-purpose indoor hall at Mesuka, aiming at nurturing young talent and promoting a culture of fitness and sport. The Chief Minister was accompanied by Tourism Minister Pasang Dorji Sona, highlighting Shillong's rising tourism potential. Dorji Sona stated that Mesuka's scene beauty, strategic location and rich culture and key attraction. Chief Minister Khandu also inaugurated an adventure zone at Mesuka. He added that this initiative aims to harness the region's natural beauty and rich potential for adventure sports, opening new avenues for tourism, livelihood and sustainable development. That's all for now. For further updates, keep watching My News NA.